It's day 2 here in South Florida, and I'm telling you, the action has been remarkable. I tell people this all the time. If you want to see a big variety of wildlife, you should really think about the Florida Everglades, because maybe outside of Africa that I've been to before, we don't see a bigger variety of animals no matter where I go. Just yesterday, photographed 40 different species of wildlife, and so we're just day 1.5. We've done one full day. We're in day 2 now, and so we'll see how the rest of the week goes. There's no doubt that the Everglades are full of birds and other wildlife species. Each year I go there, I'm always amazed at the constant high-quality wildlife photography opportunities that we have. Many of the species are common, but some of them are almost unique to this ecosystem.